Your phone number might still be sitting on your Discord account right now, even if you don't remember adding it. And if someone already has that number, they can search Discord and land straight on your profile. Here's how to check and remove it safely in under a minute. First, to remove it, go to User Settings, then My Account. If a phone number is listed under your profile, click Remove Phone Number. Discord sends one final confirmation code to that number before it's disconnected. Before you do this, check one important thing. If your two-factor authentication depends on SMS codes sent to that number, switch to an authenticator app first. Otherwise, removing the number can lock you out of your own two-factor setup and getting back in gets messy fast. While you're in there, scroll down to Connections to. This is where linked accounts like Steam, Spotify, or YouTube sit quietly attached to your profile. Anything you don't actively use anymore is worth disconnecting, since it's one more place your identity is tied to. Once that's done, your phone number is fully disconnected from Discord. It can't be used to find your account, and it won't show up if someone searches for it later. If this helped, subscribe to Techavro. I post quick practical Discord privacy tips like this every week.